We're going to put out a brief video of the NASDAQ 100 with technical analysis and support and resistance, and we've got a daily chart on here for you with a 200-day moving average in blue, a 5-day moving average in green, and a red 20-day moving average. And we're going to show you a variety of different charts here: hourly, daily, weekly, and monthly. Let's take a look real quick at the daily. You can see that the NASDAQ has been in a bear market ever since March of 2022. It's put in several bottoms and rallied hard towards the 200-day moving average several times here. And our most recent bottom is here on October 13th, where a lot of stocks put in a bottom on October 13th. And so the NASDAQ is attempting to put in a bottom here and rally towards the 200-day moving average. You can see from this chart that the price is above the 20-day moving average, above the 5-day moving average, but still below the 200-day moving average. Let's move to a weekly chart real quick here. We're going to try to give an analysis for the whole week of October 31st. You can see here this blue line coming up here. This is the 200-week moving average on the NASDAQ. You can see that it broke through here this week of October 10th and it's attempting to get back up, and it closed at the end of this week here. It closed above the 200-week moving average, above the 5-week moving average, above the 200-week moving average, but still below the 20-week moving average, which is not a good sign. And this also is beginning to move a little quickly, beginning to get a little overbought. If this taps up against this here at this 12,025 level for the NASDAQ, this week, that's going to be an overbought situation, and we'll probably sell back down here to 11,500 or thereabouts, either this week or next week. But that's the weekly chart. Let's take a look at the monthly chart real quick, then we're going to go to the hourly. We can see that this monthly chart here, this is a monthly chart of the NASDAQ. Red is the 20-month moving average, green is the 5-month, and you can see closed this week below the 5-month, below the 20-month, still in a bear market as far as the monthly chart is concerned. It's hard to see this whole chart because it's a long chart, but you can see we're still in a bear market for sure. In the NASDAQ, you can see we put down this month, we've made a new low here, and it doesn't look like this is going to, this low may hold, but we're not anywhere near out of a bear market on a monthly chart yet on the NASDAQ. Let's take a look on the hourly chart because it's interesting. It's a little hard to see, but we can see that it was below the 200-hour moving average all the way back from August 26th. That's a long time to be below the 200-hour, and a lot of stocks broke through this week. The NASDAQ broke through this week, but it's having trouble. You can see it oscillated a couple times. It closed above the 200 moving hour, which bodes well for it. It's very difficult to see, but you can see that, let me expand it a little bit. You can see it's above the 5-hour, above the 20-hour, above the 200-hour moving averages. So this leads me to believe this will rally a hair here, probably tomorrow. We'll probably get up here to close to 11,800 tomorrow, and then we're probably going to break back down a little bit, probably back down to 11,400, somewhere around here. These are just total guesses for entertainment purposes only, but that's my best guess for the NASDAQ this week. We do not cover the NASDAQ as an individual security, but we do cover 190 stocks at rbandresearch.com. We have 1, 5, and 20-day hold periods. These come out every morning before 7 a.m. These are out for tomorrow, Monday the 31st. You can see most of these are zeros for tomorrow, but that means the algorithms are saying tomorrow's not going to be a great day to buy. Who knows what will actually happen? But there's some stocks out here. Smile Direct Club's got some prices, and so does Vail, Marathon Oil. You go down here and take a look at our trend following portion of this. We have the S&P 500 and another 10 stocks. You can see we've got the S&P 500 for tomorrow, the 31st, flat with no entry price, and it's been flat for quite a while. It's indeterminate as to what's going on with these major indexes, and especially the S&P 500. You can see Apple, Tesla, Ford, General Electric all flat tomorrow, and then Microsoft's a buy, American Airlines, and so forth. These all these stocks basically are extremely volatile and have been volatile all week last week. We'll see what happens this week. You can get access to all of this every morning before 7 a.m. at rbandresearch.com. Absolutely no cost, no credit card required. There's a link in the description below. You just follow it over to RBAM Research, put in your email address, and get instant access all by 7 a.m. to 190 stocks, the major forex pairs, BTC crypto, and the most liquid futures contracts. Keep in mind, everything you've seen and heard on here is for entertainment purposes only, including our commentary and entry prices. Can't use it for anything other than entertainment. You should always trade with your own analysis, and you definitely trade with your own at your own risk. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. And if you have a great comment, we'd love to hear from you in the comment section below.